Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to use the team function to collaborate efficiently. Let's try it together. Part 1. Team Projects. When you are a team member, hover over your avatar in the upper left corner and click to switch to the team space. The project library is divided into My Projects and Team Projects. In My Projects, you can only view and edit projects created by yourself. In Team Projects, you can view, edit, and categorize projects created by all members. After entering the Team Projects, you can also create folders to categorize different projects to improve search and management efficiency. Click New Category, then name your new folder, and click Create. After the new category is created, you need to move the relevant projects into it. Click the button at the bottom right of the project and select Move To. Select the category you need in the pop-up panel and click Confirm. After the move is completed, you can view this project in the corresponding category. Part 2. Team Library. In Team Library, team owner can upload team model materials for team members to use when designing projects. Select a product category in the Team Library. The following is the uploaded texture as a demonstration. Click New Material in the upper right corner. Then click Upload from Computer. In the pop-up window, select the texture to be uploaded and click to open it. Next, fill in the relevant information for uploading textures. Then click Upload Textures at the bottom. After successful uploading, team owner can view this texture in the team library of the workspace. Team members can drag and drop directly from the team library in the Design tool to use it. Part 3. Member Management. In Members, team owner and admin can invite members to the team and assign permissions to members. Function 1. Invite members. Click Invite Member at the top. Note that before inviting members, you need to check if there are enough seats. If not, you need to add seats first. You can choose to invite by email in the pop-up panel. Then enter the email address of the invited member. Click on Send Invitation. You can also choose to invite by link. Then copy the link and send it to the members who need to join. Invited members can join the team space after accepting the invitation. Function 2. Permission Assignment. Click the button after the member. Select Grant Admin Access to grant permissions to members. Function 3. Remove Members. If you need to remove a team member, click the button after the member. Select Remove to remove the member from the team space. Admin also have permission to remove members. That's all. Thanks for watching.